Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And believe it or not, there's still one more doll that needs to get her sandals off. So anyways, this is a doll that my husband gave to me. I'm going to say now we're hitting close to 5 years. I think you gave this to me for Valentine's Day. And I haven't...
Because I love you.
I know you do.
And you're the most beautiful woman in the whole wide world.
Yeah, okay. That's enough of that now.
Okay.
Okay. But anyhow, he gave this to me on Valentine's Day, and it's one of the ones I saw back in an antique shop that is closed now here in our city. The lady retired, which was a very sad moment for me. I'm still not over it, but I'm coming. But anyways, my husband's happy over it anyway, aren't you, John?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of a sudden I got extra money in my wallet.
Wow, how did that happen, right? But anyways, she's a big girl. She's about 26, 27 inches. She's not marked on the back or anything, but she's still quite a cute little girl. She is up for restoration. Nothing at this time that needs to be really done. She has some paint, of course, on the sides of her leg there that, you know, is starting, things are happening to her. And she has a nice little crack here. I think she's been a repaint. I really believe she's painted with acrylics, not oil. So that leads me to think that she is, you know, really desperately needing to repaint. But anyhow, not today. Today is about changing them. And this outfit that she's wearing came from a lady in the United States. I got this back in the I think the spring, summer. And it came from their family. Had embroidered it, and she sold it on eBay. And it came with the matching bib, the matching dress, and the matching slip underneath. I want her to wear this again coming up this spring, but we need a break from seeing it on her. So we're going to take this off of her. She's still in sandals, and she's still in this beautiful dress. I hate to take it off of her, I really do, but I don't want, I want to see her in this another time. A bit of a break would be nice. So we're going to undo the bib, and I'm going to put this away very nicely. I got a nice box for it to go into. Or I might just hang it. We'll see which way I go with it. But she's got these tiny little buttons on the back, which are very typical to her time period. So let's lay her down. I did bring a microfiber rag just to kind of go over her head, take some of the dust off, because she's been sitting. Just a nice microfiber will pull a lot of that dust off your dolls. You don't need to wet them. There's no need for that. Remember, they are made of a wood product. So you really want to just stay nice and gentle with them. These rags will pick up a lot of dust off your dolls. So you don't need to go, and you can tell she's really cracking all across her head, which is leading me to believe she's been a repaint. But anyhow, as that may be, we're going to lay her down, get this dress off of her. Now I've got to see which way is the best to do this with her. Beautiful little dress. Somebody was really gifted in knowing how to embroider, and made this just spectacular. Just I'm amazed over it. I just love it. Love it, love it. And it was at such a nice price and everything. And you know what? If I was about ready to have my little girl again, I'd be putting this on her and getting pictures done of her in this. I wish I had thought about things like that back when she was little, but I wanted all the up-to-date stuff, of course, because I was a new mom, and especially she was going to be our last, so you want all that new stuff, you know, that came out. So, you know, you do what every mother does, you know. So, but I wish now I see that, and I wish I'd taken some nice vintage clothing and got her pictures taken in it. But oh well. Grandchildren, that's where I take advantage of it. But anyways, I have none right now. None of them are having any grandkids right now, so. But that's to come, we hope. Down the road sometime, maybe. If I get a granddaughter, I'll be bringing this dress right out and saying, let's get some pictures of her in it. But anyways, I got the dolls to help fill that empty spot right now. There we go. And again, she has a disposable diaper on, which we're not going to look at because I'm not for it. Now, what dress am I going to put on her? Now, I know I had the Cupid in this dress here, and I took it off her. She's wearing another dress right now. Oh, I'm dropping shoes here, left, right, and center. Anyways, as long as I don't drop the ones that she's going to wear. I thought about putting this on her, this cable knit dress on her. she's big enough to wear it and to wear it properly, I feel. So I got to be careful with that head because it is losing paint up top. Just don't want to get it on, hooked on paint chips. There we go. Matters right now because I'm trying to keep her with as much as I can until I'm ready to restore her. So I've got a lot of restorations. You're going to hear me say that a lot. I got a lot of restoration projects coming up of my own dolls here that just need to be done so badly. And that's why I get them. I buy them for that reason, to restore. So, and this is an up-to-date dress, but it has a nice look to it. And especially for the winter right now, what we're in right now. Oh yes, this fits her beautifully. Oh, perfect for her. Perfect. It has side buttons on the shoulders. And that one oh no, it's right here. I thought I was already done up, but it wasn't. It looks gorgeous on her. And when she gets her restoration done, it's all finished and done, she will get I call what I like to call the signature dress. What makes her look the way she does, you know, like her to her time period. And it very well could be this little dress set right here. It fits her so well that I'm more than likely that's what I'm going to go with her on that. I wish I brought her in some leotards, but I didn't. They're all out in my shop, and I'm not going out in the cold for just leotards. I got to go to work today, and when I go out, I'm going to then go out and pull out some stuff while I'm out there. I'll go out to the shop, and I got drawers full of stuff out there. I just don't have enough room in the house to be putting it all in here. And it's not necessary, because I'm not going to use it all anyways. Now, I was going to put these little black shoes on her, but I did some shopping back about last week, and I bought these, and they were on sale, and I thought they were regularly $7.99. I got them for $5. Not a big, you know, sale difference, but you know, enough that made me buy them. So, and I knew I had this cable knit dress here, and I think I'm going to need some scissors, and we're in the kitchen. Thank goodness for that. I'll just grab some right here. Okay. Wow, you're not gonna... Oh, there's still more stuff tying them together. There we go. Oh yeah.
Everything to make sure they weren't shoplifted.
Oh yeah. There. Still, I'm still pulling out more stuff here. There we go. Oh, stuff down in the toes as well. There we go. All right, these come from a store we have here called Winners. I love going in there. Especially this time of the year now when they're going to be bringing out the spring stuff and the winter stuff is going to the side now. And I was able to go in there last week and I was able to get some, oh, these fit her beautifully. Oh, if I pull out some white leotards for her, that will look even better. But anyways, these are little religious socks. They have crosses on them. I got them at the used store and I thought, well, I don't care if they have crosses on them or not. I believe in Jesus, so there we go.
And so do I.
Good. There we go. But anyways, they're probably meant for a christening or something, but hey, they work for this just as well. Oh, there we go. There's some of that out. Oh, there we go. Got it all out. Let's get these socks pulled right up. She's got tiny feet. They're not proportioned to her. You could wear a bigger shoe with that, which is what this is, and it still looks quite fine. A lot of dolls were made where they're not, the feet, sometimes even the hands are not proportionate to their bodies. One of the dolls that comes to mind that is like that is Baby Deer Turns 1. They have beautiful body size and everything. But, oh my goodness, what is going on? One went on so beautifully in this one. Oh, there we go. Got it. And the other one is just, their feet and their hands are not proportionate to them. So, now, do we want color with this? This is what we have to ask ourselves. Do we keep it with the white? Or do I put a little splash of color? Color adds a dimension to your doll. Oh. This doll does not like to sit up either. So anyways, let's take this. Flower looks really big, but you know, she's 1920s. There we go. I don't know if that looks quite right with her. I don't know. What do you think, John?
You're the expert. I'll let you decide
let's try something
on that.
else. Sometimes it's better to stay right where we were. Ah, getting caught.
Yeah, I like that a little better.
Yeah, there we go. And there she is. Oh yeah, I think that does her well. Let's stand her up. Oh my goodness, she's a big girl. Oh, that looks beautiful with it. And she sports it very well. She's a nice big girl. Look at that. Nice chunky legs. The dress is a nice size for her. There she goes. There she is. Look at that. Doesn't that look sweet on her? Well, anyways, there she is. I got another one dressed up for the winter. The toes are covered up, and she's staying nice and warm. All right, I hope you enjoy this. I think that's the last of them all.
Thank you for joining us.